Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to attach a branded tag to a beaded bag. I'm going to teach you two different ways. This channel focuses on how to make beaded crafts. If today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is how it looks like for the round type, and then also for the square type or rectangular type. You can order by WhatsApping the number on your screen. So first, what we are going to do is count. So basically I'm just trying to count to make sure that the tag I am going to paste on the bag would be in the middle. So we are starting with the rectangular one. So you just have to peel a little side where the holes are, then you pass your beading thread through. So you can use 0.5 mm or 0.6 mm or even 0.4 mm to do this. Then you just attach it to the bag, and that is it. So after you are done, you just tie a knot. Yeah, so you can repeat the same thing at the other side. For the second method, you would need a chain and then your set of pliers, and then the jump ring has the branded tag. So you can just open it like this, then your chain. See, I'm passing it through the bead like this. So when you are done, you just pass the jump ring through the two, and then also through the small hole at the top of the branded tag, and that's it, you're done. Hope this was helpful. See you in our next video. Bye.